Oh, they want to go in here. Oh, we want to go in. We want to go in. You want to go in, Sojou? Here, there's a space here, but don't knock him down. I can sit in the end. A bit awkward there, Sojou. Oh, she's drinking. It's nice here. Yeah, you would do. They loved him yesterday. That's why we won't stay long, because it's 4 o'clock and they're...
Oh,
No, here's eaten alive apparently. I don't know if you can see it. Oh wait, she's wrapped up. You okay, Mama? So far I'm not getting eaten alive. Oh, I'm getting... Yeah, maybe that's why, right? That was funny, right by the water. Holy cow. It is beautiful here. No, you don't want me to her shake? We're literally not... I think... Is that pretty much it? Top of the hill and back? No.
No, turn around.
Turn around, turn around. Turn around. Everybody round. We're done. What was that?
There's a stick moving.
Oh. She was doing some crazy things.
Go in the sunlight on the other side.
Yeah. It's beautiful in here, but it's getting late and the bugs are starting to come out for sure.
I don't want to get stink mud. I don't want to
No. That's fine. Don't swear, please. Somebody had a fire here. It's not food, sweetie. Oh, yeah. Like a minute ago, there were no bugs, and now they just sort of come out. People! It's my birthday today. Yeah. And I'm having a great time with my babies. Oh, yeah, they're getting my neck.